We'll be dividing a given line into 3 equal parts. First thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a construction line which is longer than the given line that we're divided into 3 equal parts. So we're going to measure 12 centimeters on this line. Then we're going to label it A, B. Then we're going to use our ruler and pencil to draw a line from A, any angle, any length going to the south. Then we're going to get our compass and pencil, and we're going to mark 3 arcs from A going along the line which we drew at an angle. So we open the compass to about 2 centimeters, and we're going to mark 3 arcs of the same radius going along the line which we drew at an angle. So we mark the arc, and where the arc intersect the line, we mark 2 more arcs going along the line. So we're going to label the first arc 1, second arc 2, third arc 3. Then we're going to use our ruler and pencil to join 3 to B. Then we're going to draw a parallel line. We're going to draw 3B parallel from 2 and 1. So we're going to open our compass to about 1 centimeter. We're going to mark an arc to intersect the line that we drew at an angle and to intersect the line 3B. Then we're going to use the same radius. So I'm going to put it at point 2 and mark an arc. We need to make sure that the arc is long enough so that we can do the next step. From 1, we're going to mark the same arc. Then we're going to open our compass from where the arc intersects the line at an angle to intersect 3B. I'm going to put the compass at 2 with the same radius and mark the previous arc which we drew from centers 1 and 2. Then we're going to use our ruler and pencil to draw a line from the arc 2 through the intersection of the 2 arcs to intersect the line AB. We're going to do the same thing from 1 through the intersection of the 2 arcs. We draw a line to intersect AB. Where these 2 lines that we drew a while ago intersect the line AB, we're going to label it C and D. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of how to divide a line into 3 equal parts. At CAD with Mr. Hugh, we aim to become your favorite math channel. We thank you for joining us, and in the next video, we'll be looking at how to find the centroid for a given triangle. Please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.